To cut a parchment round to fit into your bamboo steamer, baking pan, or anything else you're trying to line, start with a piece of paper roughly the size of the vessel. Fold it in half once, then in half again. You'll end up with a square piece of paper with two sides where the paper can be separated and two sides where you have solid folded edges. Hold your paper square so the corner where those two solid folded edges meet is on the bottom left. Then, fold the paper in half diagonally by taking the top left corner and bringing it to the bottom right corner, leaving you with a sort of triangle looking thing. This doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Finally, fold your triangle in half one last time, bringing the top left of it down to meet the bottom right corner once again. Place the bottom left narrow pointed end in the middle of your vessel, then cut off any of the paper that doesn't fit inside for a perfect parchment round. I also like to cut the very tip off of the bottom left narrow pointed end during the last step, which creates a hole in the center to allow more steam to come through if you happen to be steaming. Knowing how to cut a parchment round is a super useful skill to have around the kitchen and will make you look like a total culinary badass if you whip the trick out at a friend's place. But it's actually cheaper just to buy the pre-cut parchment rounds online. You can even get ones with holes for steaming. They're sold in a million different sizes, and you can even get reusable silicone rounds if you live and die by the reduce, reuse, recycle mantra. Sometimes the lazy, easy way is actually the best way, like how easy it is to hit the subscribe button right below the video. It really helps out small YouTubers like me, and I would really appreciate it. Until next time, later nerds.